see the vigorous FUGDI. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We have seen Rannmalle, we have seen so many things over here which are amazing folk arts of Goa. And the credit of this goes to a lady Sarpanch of this Nagargaon. Her name is Lakshmi Harwalkar. Let us speak to her because I think she is an inspiration for all the other people and the Sarpanchas in Goa. लक्ष्मीबाई आमच्या प्रोग्रामात तुमचे स्वागत आसा.
धन्यवाद.
आज आमी जे पळयलें की ह्यो ज्यो बायलो आसा ह्यो सगळ्यो एकट्यान येवन गोंयान सामक्यो जाणट्यो आसा तरी आसतना ती सामकी भुरग्यांक फाटी घालपा सारकी नाचतात. हाजें श्रेय म्हाका सांगलें की हें सगळें तुमकां कारण तुमी तांकां सगळ्यांक एकठांय हाडलें म्हणून हाचेर आमकां एक दोन उतरां सांगा.
जेन्ना हांव लग्न जावन हांगा येयली न्हू नगरगांवांत.
तुमी खंयची पयली?
हांव शिरगांवचें. पण म्हाका अशें दिसलें की जेन्ना हांव हांगा येयलें न्हू तेन्ना कितें तरी लोकां खातीर करपाचें बायलां खातीर म्हणून आनी फुगडी एक दीस आमी आमचो श्रावणांत मंगळार आमी आमच्या देवळान घेता त्याच मंगळाराक बायलो अशीच फुगडी घालूंक लागली. ती फुगडी घातली आनी मागीर म्हाका अशी इच्छा दिसली की हांव हांकां खंय तरी फुडें व्हरपाचें म्हणून एक दीस आमगेर अशीच फुगडी घालता आसतना हांवें म्हाजो एक संबंद आसलो पौर्णिमा केरकर प्राध्यापिका आसा ती आनी राजन भाई आसलो केरकर ते एक दीस हांव डेप्युटी सरपंच आसल्या कारणान म्हाका कित्याक तरी मेळपाक येयली. तितकें हांवें तेंचे कडेन सहज हो विशय काडलो अशें ग्रूप आसा आमचो म्हणून. तर म्हाका म्हणलें तशें कांय ना म्हणलें आमी फुडें तुका म्हणल्यार चान्स दिता म्हणून आमकां मागीर सुरवात तेंच्यांनी कला अकादमीन राजभवनान आनी गोंयान अख्खे गोंयभर आमी ज्यो ज्यो फुगड्यो आसा न्हू थंयसर आमी भाग घेवपाक सुरवात केली आनी खंय खंय आमकां खंय कोणी आमंत्रण दिलें काय ना थंय थंय आमी वचून हांव म्हाज्या इच्छे प्रमाणे म्हाज्या स्वता खर्च जाता तितको हांव तांकां म्हाजें प्रोत्साहन आसता.
जातली आं So, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen the Sarpanch doing something with this. Let's find out from her what this is. लक्ष्मीबाई, हे जे तुम्ही करता ते कितें?
हांकां म्हणटात दवली माळ.
डोले माळ.
हय.
आनी हे कित्याक करता?
हे आमी आदी कितें आसलें ना पीठ बी मळटाले न्हू तेन्ना भांडी नासली. चवथीच्या दिसांनी हे वाजयता. चवथीच्या दिसांनी. जेन्ना कोणाचे 5 दिसाचे गणपती 1.5 दिसाचो गणपती आनी मागीर ते कितके दिसाचे थेव पण अशी एक प्रथा आसा की शेजारचो तर गणपती पावयता जाल्यार तो ह्या गणपती म्हणजे 5 दिसाचो कोणाचो गणपती आसा न्हू त्याच्या कानार तो गणपती 1.5 दिसाचो व्हरता न्हू तो हेज्या कानार पडोंक जायना अशी एक समज जाणट्या लोकांची आसली तेन्ना जाणटी लोक कितें करताली हे दवली मांड घेताले आनी ते आतां ही पदां म्हटली न्हू सादरीकरण केलें न्हू त्या पद्दतीन ती बसोन पदां म्हणटाली मागीर तो 1.5 दिसाचो गणपती गेलो
आता ही फाटल्यान पळय जे कितें बसल्यात ती कितें करपाक
ती जाते आतां लग्न गितां आसल्या कारणान आमच्या 70रीन तर चड हे आसा आनी ही सगळीं जाण आमची बायली जात्याची पदां म्हणटा लग्नाची
ओके थँक्यू व्हेरी मच दॅट वॉज लक्ष्मी हरवळकर फॉर यू सरपंच विथ अ डिफरन्स So, ladies and gentlemen, when we were watching this Rannmalle, you saw this young boy with an amazing voice who sang those songs conveying to us what this acting was all about. And his name is Mr. Aditya.
Yes.
Okay. And that's Umesh over there. But let's find out from Aditya about this. Aditya, म्हाका एक सांग, जे तुवें आतां पळय जी पदां म्हणली, are you trained professionally?
सर आमचे पयलीं जाणटे यवतकार आसले न्हू तेंच्या कडसून ही कला आमी बघल्या म्हटल्यार तो खास शिकोना पण आमचो एक हांगा लागीं एक घर आहा राम मावस्कर म्हणून तो पयलीं रणमाले पयलींच्या काळान तेंच्यांनी बरेच खूब रणमाले प्रकार करून दाखयल्लो लोकांक आनी ते आतां ते जाणट्या वयाच्या आनी तेंकां दोळ्यान दिसना आनी मी तेंच्या कडेन केन्ना असो आठवड्यान वचून बसता तेंच्या कडेन गजाली करता आनी तेन्ना तेज्या कडसून ती आमचे रणमालेचे जोती आहा न्हू ते तेज्या कडसून शिकोवन घेता
हय. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I must put my hand across the shoulder of this boy for two reasons. Number one is he is trying to learn our rich heritage through the oral recountations by his elders. And secondly, it is very rare to see young people like this going and sitting with elders and learning about the past. And in not doing so, we are losing a link between our past. Please, if you have got elders who have done something in the past related to heritage or anything, please go sit with them and understand what is their participation in the past generations. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, there is another gentleman who is sitting down here. Looks like he's been doing a lot of weights and all. And over here, now let's find out what his role is in such things. I understand that you are from this area. Am I right?
I am from Pernem, sir.
You are from Pernem?
Pernem, yeah, Ibrahimpur village.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Manjit Gawas.
You are Manjit Gawas.
Yeah.
And Mr. Gawas, tell me one thing. How come you are so attracted to such things? What have you been studying?
I have studied MA Archaeology and now I am doing PhD in that.
You are doing PhD
Yeah.
in that.
So this was been in me because of Rajendra Girkar, sir.
Okay.
I have went with him to such places, and because of my these projects also of MA project. So that time I visited this village, and then I got to know all those things. Then we came here, we saw their these things like Dauleman, then their Rannmalle, and all we have saw here. And then I thought I met Sauni, and then I thought like why not to get it in front of the other people
Okay.
who are unknown about it.
And my Goan is trying to get to you the culture of Goa, not a big culture. Right? Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
The time is lunchtime. You can hear the pitter and patter of the rain outside. And I can get an amazing aroma of Goan masala. And this has been done on this tour that we have come here to see the Rannmalle by Mangala Bhave. Let's find out from her what she's prepared for us. Mangala Bhai, आज हांगा त्या टेबलार तुवें जें जेवण दवरलां ताजें सामको खमंग वास येता. कितें कितें केलां आज?
आज हांव एकूण नॉनव्हेज खायना पण ते सावनीन सांगले म्हणून हांव नॉनव्हेज आज आमची कामेरी येता तिका सांगून हांव तिका करपाक लायले.
कितें कितें केलां?
चिकन केला आणि पाव दवरला, कोबीची भाजी आणि डाळ सलाड पापड, मेन म्हणजे गोव्याचे म्हणजे गऱ्यांचे पापड ते दवरले, गऱ्यांचे पापड आणि घरगुती लोणचे दवरला.
ओके, घरगुती लोणचे.
घरगुती लोणचे दवरले.
Ladies and gentlemen, did you hear that? She has kept papad made out of jackfruits. Next time you go to a supermarket, ask them because they taste real good. See, mouth is already watering. आणि कितल्या जाणांचे आज जेवण केला तुम्ही?
आज 35 लोकांचे म्हणून सांगलेले.
35 लोकांचे केला. ओके. आणि म्हाका दिसता हे अशा सगळ्या राउंड पळय खातात म्हणजे जेवण सामकें एक्सलंट जालां. थँक यू सो मच.
थँक्स. तुम्ही
Along with this group, we have a gentleman who has come all the way from Ahmedabad, and his name is Mr. Gharpure. Mr. Gharpure, you are going for a second helping. How
Yeah.
was the food?
Excellent, very nice. I have never tasted this type of food, and I don't know which vegetable is that, but I think it is
Cabbage.
jackfruit or cabbage,
It is of cabbage. Looks
Cabbage,
like
yeah,
I have
yeah.
not had the food.
but it's absolutely fabulous, very nice. And
So you
this-
like Goan food?
Yeah, yeah, and this green curry.
The green curry also.
Yeah, that also I liked very much, and especially these two vegetables I have never tasted like this. They are very good.
Thank you very much, sir.
Very
Have a-
simple, no spice, and quite good, tasty also.
Thank you.
Thanks a
You're
lot.
veg.
Yeah, I'm pure veg.
Okay. No, our chicken has not eaten anything non-veg. So if you would like to eat
No,
that.
but I'm veg. What about that?
Okay. Thank you.
His name is Vishnu Harwalkar, the husband of the lady Lakshmi Harwalkar, which we saw this morning. Okay, that's actually a cotton which are taken. Like fish palm tree, right? It's a fungus on that, the branches of that, right? So he takes out, and then it burns faster and it catches fire faster. That's why. It has to dry it up. Then there is one specific plant whose dry leaves we have to collect, then make ash of it and then mix it with together. Then we can use it. Yeah.
तो बिल्लो माड म्हणटा न्हू
Right.
त्या बिल्ल्या माडाचो तो
Kapus.
कापूस
Ladies and gentlemen, this gentleman who's smoking here, do you know how he lit that bidi of his? Vishnu Bab, हे तुम्ही बिडी जी आता तुम्ही ओडटा न्ही
हय.
ती कशी पेटयली तुम्ही कितें घेवन
फातर आणि लोखंडी
हा.
पट्टी
पट्टी
लोखंडी पट्टी फातर आणि बिल्ल्याचो तो कापूस
बिल्ला माडाचो
बिल्ल्या माडाचो
आतां खंय आसता कापूस ताका
तेजी ती पोळी आसता न्हू
हय
त्या पोळयेनी आसता
आतां ती वयर पोंयी आसता तातूंत
हो
आसता
तेतूर आसता तो मागीर आमी असो कोयतेन काडटा
हा
आनी सुकात घालता
हा
सुकात घालून मागीर ते आणखी निंगणेची म्हणून पालो गावता
हा
तो हाडटलो जाळचेलो आणि तेतून तो मिसळ करपाचो कापूस
निगड्याचे म्हणजे ते हातूंत शेतांनी जाता ते
हो वयक लायता ती
वयेक लायता ती ताका जांबळी जांबळी फुलां आतां अशी ती.
हो जांबळे
आ,
बारीक फुलां
ताजी,
अशी,
आ.
हो. तेजो पालो ह्यो करता आनी मागीर तो गोबर करता त्या पाल्याचो
आ.
आनी ह्यो कापूस भितर मिसळ
हा.
करता गोबरां
हा
आनी मागीर हें पेटयता
पूण कित्याक मिसळटात दोनूय
दोनूय मिसळटकणी हे चकमक बेगीन पेट्टा
बेगीन पेट्टा
हो मागीर झपक्यान पेट्टा
हय पूण म्हाका आतां एक सांग आतां पासून तुमी अशेंच यूज करता
हो
हा?
चालू
आनी होच फातर काय आनी कसलो फातर बी आसता
फातर आणखी धवो आसता तांबडो आसता
तांबडो आसता
पूण घट असोच
असोच
तो बरो पेट्टा हेज्या पेक्षा तेका पावरफूल
आनी तो खंय मेळटा
नेग मेळटा पूण मी सोदून बगलो म्हाका मेळोंकच ना
कितें लिपून बशिल्लो
ना दट्टा मातयेन आसता न्हू ते
मातयेन आसता तो
ते
ओके पूण आतां तुमी घरा कडेन जो उजो करता तो
हो.
अशेंच करता काय तुमी मॅच बॉक्स यूज करता
ना हे सुद्दां आमी घरा कडेन न्हू आमी आतां गोरवां कडेन वयता
हय
गोरवां कडेन गेल्यो न्हू दिसभर आमच्या दोरां कडेन आसता आमी कांबळी बिंबळी घेतल्यो काय गेल्यो काय कुल्ल्यो धरल्यो
हय
कुल्ल्यो जावं माशे धरले आग पेटयतली जाल्यार लाकडां इल्ली काडली लाकडाची अशी किस काडटा बारीक
हां
आनी हें पेटयता आनी अशी माल्ली पेटयली काय त्या किशीन घालता आनी अशी मुठीन घटून फूक मारून मारून ती आग मागीर मोठी पेट्टा मागीर जाय ते ती करूं येता
आं हां
हय.
म्हणजे हें जेन्ना तुमी गोरवांक घेवन वता आनी थंय कांय नासता तेन्ना हें करता
तें चालूच आसता आमचें
ओके
हय.
देव बरें करूं तुमी
बरें
So, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen the amazing performances by the very young ladies of 70 plus who did the Rannmalle and the FUGDI and all the folk arts that were presented here today in this episode. But the credit of getting all of them through her friends goes to this young lady over here. Her name is Savani Shetty, and she has been very much involved in taking y'all to all the places, bringing to you the tangible and the intangible heritage of Goa. Let's find out from her. Savani Bhai, you have started taking people to the different areas of Goa, where you show them the folk dances, folk arts, the tangible, intangible heritages that we have. Do you feel that these efforts that are being made by the people to understand the heritage of Goa, is it okay?
There's a start, there's a good start. There are schemes for these people, like we met a lot of them. They have a pension that comes as a contributor to Goa's legacy of keeping the heritage alive. But it's on part of government that they get a certificate that the money comes in their account. But for an artist, it is not a mere certificate on the wall doesn't mean anything. We should create a economic model where they can earn through it. Because only one certificate and lot of claps don't, like you can't go empty stomach. Can't give them livelihood only with one certificate and some money. Then it has to keep recurring. And also an artist, even if you give money, they need attention, they need audience, the good audience to come there and appreciate.
And the interest that is shown is by elders or by youngsters to come and see this culture?
As of now, it's the middle age and the elders. Youngsters are ready, but the cost goes high to come here. There is a lot of costs involved. So we are also trying to reduce that. So even if the youngster is ready, maybe lot of them are not able to pay the days fee and come. And also one reason is a lot of them pay in Starbucks and CCDs and everywhere. So we should also create that trend. Once we get this as a hashtag and
build a pride in them?
Yeah, build a pride, build it as a fad, as you say, and by hook or crook get them here.
Good. Thank you so much, Swami.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
There we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of an amazing episode of the Hinterland folk art presentation. You have seen something called as the Rannmalle. This is something very rare which is not presented anywhere else except at certain times. You have also seen the FUGDI, but did you notice what was the enthusiasm of those elderly ladies? Amazing. In fact, I am feeling very tired today because the whole day we have been over here. And something that possibly you will try in your homes if you do have this at your place is the Dolo Mand and the Dante Mand. We as Goans must learn the ovios over here, or the songs that, or the couplets that the ladies sing over there. If these ladies from the hinterland can do such a beautiful presentation, don't you think you, wherever you are in the world, should come forth and try and help us to protect, preserve and to promote that Goan culture which you very, very confidently in your AC rooms are saying Goen, Goenkarpon and Goenkar, live, become a Goenkar. And we will get you everything that is part of this great Goan culture. Please do let us know on the email that you see over here. We'll love to hear from you. And let's meet for the next episode. Signing off.